Bring it back.
Hello Panthers and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Jael.
And my name is Camilla. It's a breathtaking day to be a Panther.
In sporting news, our girls basketball team will travel to play Astronaut today.
Varsity will play at 6 p.m. Good luck, Panthers.
A shout out to our senior event last week. Our Go Higher, Get Accepted event helped about 250 seniors and some parents with FAFSA, EFSC application and college advising by EFSC admissions and financial aid experts.
Also, about 33 seniors attended Horace Scholars Night and acquired 4-year scholarships totaling over $1 million. 3 students even received full rides to Livingston College.
Students, did you know that almost about 500 students made A and B honor roll for their amazing semester 1 grades?
Keep up the great work. Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!